Today is Tuesday, January 25, 2022. I was long the S&P 500 via a triple X leverage ETF, UPRO, and I liquidated my position today. One of the main reasons why I liquidated my position was because tomorrow is Fed Day, FOMC meeting, and it's just a gamble. You don't know exactly what they're going to say, and it's almost impossible to predict how the market is going to react. So did not want my profit to turn into a loss. One of the main reasons why I liquidated my position. But as you're looking at my account, no crimp positions, orders, or let me go to the history so you see that I sold 37 shares that I bought yesterday. I sold them today at market price. You can see the prices here and the date and the time when that happened. Looking at the P&L. Let me go to the P&L, click on that. Percentage-wise, my account versus the S&P 500, I'm up 12.9% for the year to date. The S&P 500 is down 9.2%. So that's roughly about 22%. And my goal is 26%. So Delta is 22%. So I'm doing very well this year so far. Let me go to the charts and walk you through my thought process. Well, today we gap lower. I didn't really expect that. I thought we were gonna have a little more follow through to the upside based on the strong close yesterday. I'll just be able to test the 200-day moving average and the 5-day moving average around 44.25. That didn't happen. If we look at the 5-minute chart, let's look at the 5-minute chart. Oh, here it is. And this is price action for today. We gap lowered, sold off, recovered, and most of the day we're just consolidating until we push higher up to yesterday's close. From there, we retraced, and I ended up selling once we broke below that 43.80 level. Once we dip below that moving average, the pink line, which is a 20-day moving average, exponential moving average. That's when I liquidated my position. Like I said, one of the main reasons was because tomorrow's FOMC meeting, and it's just a gamble. So that was my trade. For tomorrow, levels that I'll be watching, just going back to the daily, definitely that zone up there, 4,400, and the 200-day moving average, the 5-day moving average definitely would be very strong resistance. If for some reason we push above that, that would be very bullish. But I do want to see some consolidation. I really don't think I would be trading the rest of the week based on how volatile the market is. Normally I want to see some type of consolidation and get a better setup where I get a better risk to reward ratio and with a more predictable outcome. Tomorrow, I do not see that. So I would have to wait until the announcement tomorrow and Thursday and Friday and see if there's a good setup where I can either go long or short. But I think most of the money is going to be made on the upside so far. But that can change very quickly. Even though the path of least resistance is down, just the fact that we sold off so much, so fast, the last 5 sessions, I think we can quickly bounce a little bit higher. So anyways, that was my trade, and I'll wait for the next setup.